ya ekeresia ya Katolika se orugongo rwa Gusii ime diocese ya Kisii nigo bono batwara omuyega gukobekerwa amaboko kwa aba seminary batatu abo baenekirwa koba abadikon rituko ria rero ase ekeresia kia Nyabururu ime yensemo ya ensemo eyo Nyabururu ase miseyo yanarkoba gekorawa n'omwaskofu Joseph Mairura Okemwa buna gotomanya omorikito Dominic Onderi.
Abasa gwetania chimebere kurwa se county ya Kisii niko bairwo basemia igoro chinjira chingia cha komanya na gwetanga kurwa samaruire ao na maritagi ankyo manyana ikara bagandete gusoma na gwesemia obasemia obwo bwarwe gwane kiombe gya daraja mbili vision volunteers abwo asaba Trantine school ya Jiri Kisii na serikali ya county ya Kisii asegetikia Gusii stadium bune nchira yamo yokolicengera litukuli abaiseke imeyensengima.
I work for Daraja Mbili Visions Volunteer under Kisii Youth Wellness Center. Today is the day we decided to celebrate the International Girls' Day. It's a special day for the girl child. Today we are here in collaboration with Ajiri. We are working together to ensure the girl child is empowered in terms of education. We teach them on self-care, empowerment, economic empowerment, and as well as giving them services. We have extended our medical services. We do HIV testing and counseling.
We need to play safe so that we don't have unwanted pregnancies, because at the end of the day we'll be having more burden in taking care of these children. Yet the children and the youth don't have a source of income.
Bago kuwa na Nensoko TV maega yokuro basemia gochia asaba sayabwe miaka 13 gukemera ngebere nene nigo ababwatani bekiombe kia Daraja Mbili Vision Volunteers baenekire buna nigo egangene nere royo kubasemia basaye igoro chinjira choko manya nabo ego kwegendereria
is that you really need to know about your sexual reproductive health rights, and as well as there is HIV is there and it's real, and for sure you really need to abstain. And if you cannot abstain, you have sex.
I've learned a lot today. I've learned matters to do with SRH. SRH is not about religion, it's about children's future and dignity itself. And I've learned that empowering the girl child is good.
Buna enchira yemo yokubasemia bana baiseke igoro yobwene bwabo nabego kuruwa basemia mamincha yo gwito kwa bana baiseke na basubati gose femicide ni gaba bwatani balia bakwegerera obwene bwa mwanya bantu kuruwa ase county ya Kisii banyaka bakorwe kurate guchia sabalia bawo kore bikoro byo koita bana baiseke buna nigo barachikweruru getambo kero keri chiko nego gosabwa kurwa chiroboti ase bitaseni bya banyanyimbo.
The cases that we've seen would have sadly would have been prevented if the survivors had reported earlier enough when they saw the signs. And our mission is to make sure everyone knows their rights. Everyone feels that when they report, they get help.
Even we have paralegals here who are talking about rights, and for sure this is a great day, and we believe at the end of the day, the girl child is going to benefit.
Ekiombekyo gya Daraja Mbili Vision Volunteers niko gya kangambu yamono gochia saba watani au be negative na obasemi abongoro goboro gochia saba saya abo beke goli ekyo.
Nataka kusema asante sana kwa serikali ya Kisii County kwa kupea nafasi kutumia uwanja kufanikisha issue. Pia tunasema asante kwa Ajiri Kisii Center strong partner kusaidia sana pia kufanikisha shughuli hii. Bono
nigo yatigera saba saya ube ko basemi obwo kobeka obasemi obubosyo nabego gwetanga kurwa ase kitabu chimbe anana ke kirikiragara banyora marwire na maritagi ankyo ingo reporter ya Nensoko TV kurwa gasebo katakati mu machobosongo county ya Kisii Retariane Wycliffe Orenge.